Good morning and welcome. I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Carrots for the Easter Bunny 3D wall decor. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need 2 of the long boards that you can get at Dollar Tree. These you can find over in the Crafter Square section, and these are the whitewashed. Let's see. They measure about 23.5 inches in length, and let's see, just about 6¼ inches in width. You will need 2 of them. Remove the jute cord from the top of both of them. Turn them over. You want to make sure that those holes are on the same end. We will eventually be filling the 2 in the center and then reusing the 2 on the outside to hang our project. So make sure they're both at the same end. You want to line up your boards the best that you can. Now we're going to be attaching these with some extra large craft sticks, some super glue wood glue, and hot glue. The super glue wood glue is going to give a really strong hold, and the hot glue will help hold everything in place until the super glue sets up. I have all of the craft sticks glued down and weighted down. My boards were slightly bowed, so this is going to help flatten everything out and straighten everything out. This will also help make sure that I get really good contact on those craft sticks so that those 2 boards are nice and firm and secure to each other. I'm going to allow this to set up for about 30 minutes to an hour before we move forward. Now while our boards are setting up, I'm going to make the hanger, and to do that I'm going to use one of these really cute little bead garlands that you can find over in the Easter section. Now I don't want just solid orange beads. I'm going to mix in some of the plain, and you can find this over in the Crafter Square section. They have usually strings of beads like this, or they have bags. You can also check over in the home decor section. They have a lot of framed artwork that has bead hangers. So check those areas of your store. Now we're going to be using this little icon, some of the beads, but not the little tassel here. I've removed all the beads off except for one. And now I'm going to tape up the end here a little bit to make it easier for me to restring on my beads. I'm just going to work on restringing my beads. I need my beads to be about 15 to 16 inches in length, and then I need extra of the jute cord to tie it back onto my sign. The 2 boards are securely attached. I did add one more up here at the top after I filled the 2 holes here in the center. And I just used the Tool Bench light spackling that you can get at Dollar Tree over in the hardware section. And then I've also attached my hanger here with the beads. So my base is all ready to go. You're going to need 7 stuffed carrots for our project today. Now they have 4 different ones to choose from. They have the plain orange, the orange and white buffalo check, an orange with white polka dots, and then this really pretty small orange and cream check. On your carrots, you'll want to remove the tag that they have here on the side, and you're also going to want to remove the hanger here. And here on the tops, you want them to be kind of open and wild, so if they're together like this one, you just want to break them open. Just kind of pull them apart, bend them a little bit. Now we're going to be placing a large bow right here at the top, so you need to leave a little bit of space here for your bow. And then play with your carrots until you get your layout how you like it. Now I'm going to attach these to the board using a mixture of Aleene's original tacky glue and hot glue. I have all my carrots glued down. I'm really happy with the design. I think it looks absolutely adorable. We're going to work on the bow now, and I'm going to be using my Deluxe Easy Bow Maker. This is my favorite bow maker, and it really does help me because I do have arthritis in my hands. So when I make a nice, big, beautiful bow, it helps me hold everything. These are the 3 ribbons that we're going to be using in the bow today. I got all of these at Dollar Tree. These 2 came out of their Easter section, and these are both 2 inches at 9 feet. This is the orange burlap, and this is the one with the carrots with the white background. And then this one came out of the floral garden section. They're just calling it orange ribbon. This is 1.5 inches at 9 feet. But as you can see, it's that really pretty orange, and it has the white polka dots on it. You're also going to need a full-length pipe cleaner. We're going to start with the orange burlap ribbon. And I don't want really long tails on this, so I'm just going to measure them at 6 inches. If I want to, I can always trim them a little shorter if I need to. And then for this ribbon, I'm going to be making my loops at 5 inches, and I'm going to make 3 loops on either side. Now I'm going to go to the carrot ribbon. Again, I'm going to measure my tails at 6 inches. Pinch, but as I come through, I need to twist because this ribbon is only nice on one side. On your tails, the nice side should be facing up. But when you come through to make your loops, the nice side should be facing down. On this one, I'm going to be making 2 loops on either side at 4 inches. Next is this beautiful polka dot ribbon. Now this ribbon does not have any wire edge to it, so it is soft. Again, I'm going to measure my tail at 6 inches. Pinch and twist. On this one, I'm going to make 2 loops on either side at about 3 inches. And now I want to do a center loop here with my carrot ribbon. So I'm going to measure that piece out at about 6 inches. I'm just going to take the ends together, then scrunch and place in. You need to have about 1 inch worth of ribbon on this side so it does not pull through. Then take your full length pipe cleaner, slide it down on one side till you get next to your dowel rods. Lift it up on either side. Then you want to push all your ribbon down, pull up your pipe cleaner and pinch so everything stays nice and snug. And then you can lift out. This helps keep that ribbon nice and stacked. Wrap your pipe cleaners to the back. Pull nice and snug and give a good twist. Trim off any excess pipe cleaner. And then push the little nub down so it's not sharp. Pull your tails down and open up your loops. And that's approximately what your bow will look like. I'll do the final adjusting once I get it attached. I want to place my bow right here at the top. I think that's going to look so cute, and I'm just going to hot glue it into place. You just need to give the glue a few minutes to fully set up, and then you can adjust your bow and trim your tails. Now I have my bow on, and I do like it, but I think I do want some long tails on there. So I took the rest of the roll of the orange burlap, I twisted it here in the middle, and then I just kind of rolled and curled the ends and then pulled them to loosen them up. And then this part where I twisted, I'm going to glue down right under here at the base of my bow. Now these that are in the curl, I did not dovetail, I left them alone. But my other tails here in the actual bow, I have cut short and dovetail them. But I like that much better, having a little bit of that curl to the ribbon. And I love my little beaded hanger. Now there's one more thing I want to add as my final touch to this project, and it's this cute little sign. Now this little carrot here is the one that came off of the beaded garland that I used to do the hanger here. I just pulled the jute cord off and attached it. Now this I did pick up through countrydoor.com, but this would be something easy that you could make. All you would need to do is find a pretty image or make one up on your computer. Size it for a tag that you can get at Dollar Tree. Now this is a metal tag or a galvanized tag. Dollar Tree does carry them, but they are smaller. Or they have wood tags that are close to this size, so you could use either and create one yourself. That way you could put whatever saying you want, but I really loved this, that it says carrots for the Easter Bunny. Now I'm going to be attaching it over here on the side. I want it to look like it's kind of hanging down in the bunch of carrots. And I'm just going to be attaching this like I did with the carrots with the Aleene's original tacky glue and hot glue. Just kind of play with the placement till you find it where you like it. Just right about there, and then go ahead and attach it. Our project is complete. I have everything attached, and I'm so happy with the end result. I love my beaded hanger. I think it goes perfectly with the rest of the decor. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I think my carrots for the Easter Bunny 3D decor came out absolutely adorable. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. And if you know anyone who would enjoy my content, please share it with them. If you enjoy craft tutorials and hauls, you'll want to make sure to check out these videos. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.